Hello. It's another wet day across northern Britain, Scotland and Northern Ireland, seeing heavy rain at times. Brighter in the south once more and increasingly sunny, and it's turning warmer. Actually, it's warmer even where we've got the wet weather across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Rather than cold rain, it's now mild rain, and that rainfall pushing ever so slightly further north compared to recent days, so it's wet for the far north of Scotland and eventually for Shetland. The heaviest of the rainfall, Western Scotland, Northern Ireland, come further south and a lot of cloud cover, but there is some sunshine coming through for the afternoon, initially for South Wales and the southwest, but then more extensively later. A few breaks in the cloud there for a time for eastern Scotland, but you can see some heavier rainfall pushing in for the evening rush hour. It's going to be particularly soggy through the central belt, some tricky conditions for travelling. Northern Ireland as well, seeing the back end of that rainfall clearing through during Friday evening. Pushes into Cumbria then, but for the rest of England and Wales it's clear, and there is some cloud returning into western and southern parts of the country, some low cloud, some mistiness and drizzle over western hills. But finally, by the end of the night, the heavy rainfall clears the north, and then we're left with just some patchy cloud cover and some rain over the hills. This is the weather front departing from the north, and as it does so, it's a much brighter, drier Saturday for northern Britain. For the south, we draw up hotter airflow from the southwest, and actually, after some patchy cloud first thing, it soon warms up. After a muggy night in places, those temperatures rising through the morning, and for much of England and Wales, it's dry, it's bright, plenty of hot sunshine developing. You can see barely a cloud in sight for these parts of the country, and that's where the highest temperatures will be. Mid-20s widely, 28 or 29 Celsius possible somewhere to the north of London. Now, it's not going to be that warm further north, but certainly feeling much more pleasant across Scotland and Northern Ireland compared to recent days. However, it doesn't last. The next weather system pushes in for Sunday, bringing a return to wet weather for Scotland and Northern Ireland. First thing, that rain then pushes into parts of Western and Northern England, Wales, during Sunday around the middle of the day. But it's slow to reach eastern parts of England, and we cling on to the heat and the sunshine for one day more. There is some high cloud rolling in ahead of this weather front, and the heat in the southeast could kick off a thunderstorm or two. And there'll be thunderstorms along that weather front as it pushes through. But temperatures on Sunday in the southeast and east of England reaching the high 20s possibly for one day more before it's all change into next week as the weather turns cooler and more changeable. So lots going on at the moment, and you can of course keep up to date with all the very latest weather developments by following us on social media.